Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm the Arts and Humanities Coordinator at the Discovery Children's Museum, and today we're going to be doing a home discovery. I'm going to be making salto. So what you'll need is salt, flour, water, and food coloring if you have it. If not, it's okay. You could use just a natural color, and if you have paints, you could paint them after when they dry. Okay? So first we're going to begin with a little bit of salt. So this is 1 cup of salt. You're going to put it in the bowl. Next, you're going to put 2 cups of flour. Next, you're going to put a cup of water. So once you get that in, you could go ahead and start mixing. You could use your hands or you could use a whisk if you have it. You're going to mix it up. And if you have little ones that don't mind getting a little messy, they could go ahead and mix it up with you. Go ahead and work that water in. This is a fun and safe alternative to Play-Doh. Right now, I know stores aren't really open and it's hard to get that kind of material, and this is an easy way to make some dough for your kids at home. There we go. And then once it's mixed well enough, you could put it on some parchment paper. And if you don't have parchment paper at home, you could just put some flour on your table so it doesn't stick. Just keep working the dough until it gets to a nice, smooth texture. Now you could split it up into smaller portions, and this is where you're going to dye the dough. Now that the dough is all mixed up, all the ingredients are mixed up, you could go ahead and start grabbing some food dye. I have the colors red, blue, green, and yellow. And I'm going to try to make all the colors of the rainbow using these 4 colors. So first, I'm going to start with my green. So just pick any pile of dough that you want. Go ahead and just put some green dye in it. Your hands are going to get a little messy, and that's okay. It should wash off. So with the dye, you're just going to fold the dough into itself with the dye in there. You're going to keep going, keep going. Just work it through. Okay. So I think my green looks good. So I'm going to move on to the next color. Okay. My next color will be blue. So again, grab a piece of dough, put some blue in, and go ahead and start mixing in. Next, I'll do yellow. Okay, now that it looks pretty evenly coated, we're going to start making some colors. So our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and when you mix them up you get secondary colors. So one was already made for us. We did green, and that's just blue and yellow mixed up and it makes green. So now I'm going to make orange. And this is a great way you could ask, or this is a great time to ask your kids, like, what colors do you think make orange? Or you could say, if I mix red and yellow, what color do you think I'll get? So go ahead and put a little bit of red and a lot of yellow, just because with food dyes and a lot of colors, it's better when you put a lot of yellow, because sometimes the red could be really pigmented and kind of take over the color. There we go. Okay, so that looks pretty good for my orange. And last, we're going to make purple. So again, you could ask your kids, what 2 colors do we need to make purple? So I'm going to use blue and red. Alright, and there you have it. At-home Play-Doh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun making your own dough. Have a great day.